Hello, wonderful guys. In this video, we will discuss some Amazon gadgets that will help you enjoy your daily life more. Imagine a world where your gadgets do the hard work for you. Well, Amazon gadgets that will save time, simplify life, and trust me, it's a total game changer. Stay till the end for a bonus gadget you never knew you needed. Cooking just got effortless. With Amazon's non-stick coating, you can whip up breakfast to dinner in half the time. No sticking, no scrubbing, just fry, roast, steam, and serve in style. The Bella electric skillet isn't just fast, it's a kitchen game changer that saves you time and stress. Messy kitchen? Not anymore. Say goodbye to mismatched, worn-out utensils and enjoy the convenience of a complete. The Nuova 35-piece utensil set has everything you need: heat-resistant, non-stick safe, and stylish premium quality. Stay organized, cook effortlessly, and match your kitchen with 5 color options. The Crock-Pot digital slow cooking with effortless, delicious meals anytime. Enjoy delicious, low-cost meals at home instead of eating out. A programmable timer and a 3.5-liter capacity. It's perfect for soups, stews, and more. Energy efficient, easy to clean, and keeps food warm until you're ready. Easily make healthy food. Amazon brings you a uniquely designed mandolin slicer with a safe vegetable chopper slicer. Dice, julienne, and chop in seconds. With 6 interchangeable blades, meal prep is now fast, easy, and mess-free. Improve your health and save time. Amazon has brought stylish design food storage containers to improve the quality and maintain. The MR Sega airtight storage containers keep snacks, spices, and dry goods fresh, dry, and neatly organized. One-handed open and airtight seal, no spills, no mess, stackable, BPA-free, and space-saving for a clutter-free kitchen. Make your daily tasks easier with the KitchenAid hand blender. The removable blending arm with a 4-point stainless steel blade powers through smoothies, soups, and more. The chopper attachment has you covered. Lightweight, easy to handle, and variable speed control for total precision. Food, party, hot pot. Electric with BBQ grill, hot pot, all in one. The Food Party 2-in-1. Electric hot pot and grill lets you cook more food, faster, and for up to 8 people. Dual-sided broth, non-stick surface, and separate power controls for the ultimate feast. Large capacity separate power control, safe and non-stick surface that is Korean BBQ, Chinese hot pot, complimentary 1-year product warranty. Non-stick detachable handle, all in one, 11-piece non-stick cookware set, features a healthy granite coating and removable handles for effortless cooking. Oven safe, induction ready, and space saving, perfect for any kitchen or RV. Easy storage, unique design, durable, stackable, and non-toxic for a seamless cooking experience.